Welcome back, students. This is your lesson guide for activity sheet for grade 10, quarter 3, week 1, Rule of Hormones in the Reproductive System, part 2. So we have already discussed pages 1 to 2. Let's move on to page 3, which starts with the activity 2 entitled, Who is in Control? Before we proceed in answering, let's discuss. What is endocrine system and how does it work? The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones that help control many important body functions. Figure 2 shows the location of major endocrine glands for male and female respectively. You can pause the video and study the picture. Let's proceed. The endocrine system contains a group of glands that release hormones into the body. The following table lists all major glands in the body, with their functions, locations, and the hormones they release. So there are 3 columns. The first column is the name of the hormone, the gland where it secretes from, and its function. The first hormone is called adrenaline. It is secreted from the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is located above our kidneys. Its function is to increase blood pressure, heart rate, and metabolism in reaction to stress. A good example when adrenaline kicks in is when there's a fire. You get your blood pressure higher and gets your heart pumping. Aside from the adrenaline hormone, the following 3 are also located in the adrenal glands just above our kidneys. So our second hormone is aldosterone. It controls the body's salt and water balance. If there's a lack of and there's too much of it, so the hormone responsible is the aldosterone. Third one is the hormone cortisol. It plays a role in stress response. How? It increases sugar into the bloodstream. Fourth, dehydroepiandrosterone sulfate, or DHEA. It aids in production of body odor and growth of body hair during puberty. So, it kicks in during puberty. Fifth is estrogen. It is secreted from our ovaries. It works to regulate menstrual cycle, maintain pregnancy, and develop female sex characteristics. Aids in sperm production as well. Estrogen is also known as the female hormone. Sixth, follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. It is secreted from the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located in our brain. FSH controls the production of eggs and sperm. So it is possible if a woman is stressed or a man is stressed, they will not produce enough egg cells and sperm cells. Glucagon is produced in our pancreas. Our pancreas is located above our kidneys, this yellow organ. Glucagon helps to increase levels of blood glucose. Most of the time, glucagon can activate siya kung wala ta kakaon, like wata ni kaon og breakfast. So it is also known as stored energy. Insulin, also produced in the pancreas, helps to reduce your blood glucose levels. If you are having an abnormally high blood glucose, then the insulin is responsible for lowering it. Next, luteinizing hormone, or LH, produced in the pituitary gland. So we have seen that it is located in our brain. It controls estrogen and testosterone production as well as ovulation. So LH is responsible for the production of estrogen and testosterone hormone. Melatonin produced in the pituitary gland controls sleep and wake cycles. Oxytocin, produced in the pituitary gland as well, helps with lactation, childbirth, and mother-child bonding. When a mother is struggling in giving birth, oxytocin is administered by the doctor to stimulate childbirth. Parathyroid hormone, produced in the parathyroid. It is located near our throat, beside the thyroid glands. It controls calcium levels in bones and blood. Progesterone, produced in our ovaries, helps to prepare the body for pregnancy when an egg is fertilized. It is also known as the mother's hormone. Prolactin, produced in the pituitary gland, promotes breast milk production. Testosterone, produced in ovary and testes. It is produced in the testicle and the ovaries. Its function contributes to sex drive and body density in males and females, as well as the development of male sex characteristics. The adrenal glands has also some effect on testosterone. For additional information, estrogen supplements are taken by some males who wants to have female characteristic, and testosterone injections are taken by females who wants to have male characteristics. And lastly, we have the thyroid hormone produced by the thyroid. It is located near our throat, beside the parathyroid glands. Its function is to help control several body functions, including the rate of metabolism and energy levels. It plays a vital role because it has an effect on our metabolism and energy levels. You can now answer Activity 2, Who is in Control, the follow-up guided questions, and Activity 3, which is a matching type of the hormones and its functions. Well, the last part of this activity is a post-test. The post-test is comprised of 10 items. You can always play back and watch the video, and if you want to clarify things. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.